Now, even as the Congress party is asking that when will the Prime Minister teach Pakistan a lesson, a big statement that has now come in from Dr. Farooq Abdullah, the NC patron, saying that an attack of such magnitude could not have been carried out without any local support.
मैं नहीं समझता हूँ कि ये चीज़ें हो सकती हैं जब तक कोई इनका साथ नहीं देगा। वहाँ से आए, किस तरह आए। मैंने पहले भी कहा था ना, जब मौलाना अजहर को छोड़ा था, मैंने कहा था मत छोड़िए, क्योंकि ये जानता है इसने अपने रास्ते बना रखे हैं और क्या पता है उनका हाथ भी इसमें होगा, मगर किसी ने माना नहीं मेरी बात।
Well, Pradeep, such a statement coming in from the NC patron, what is the messaging that is now going across? Because this is something that the defense experts were of the opinion that such kind of an attack and such intensity and such a level could not be carried out without the support of the OGWs.
See, it's a very important statement coming from Farooq Abdullah's side, because he had been Chief Minister for more than 5 times and he had chaired several meetings of the security force personnel, and he very well understands what is the situation on the ground, how these overground workers are the one who provide logistic support and they provide oxygen to ecosystem of terror. Without their support, it's not possible for anybody crossing over from Pakistan's side and operating here in Jammu and Kashmir and carrying out such a big attack. So this is a very important statement, and he also said that he was the one who was totally opposed to the release of Masood Azhar from Kot Balwal jail in Jammu, and exchange of those people who had been hijacked during the Kandahar hijacking by Pakistani terrorists. So he said that there is every possibility that there can be the role of even Jaish-e-Mohammed in this thing, because when he's talking about Masood Azhar is heading Jaish-e-Mohammed organization. He feels there's every possibility, because he had said that Jaish-e-Mohammed chief Masood Azhar had mapped each and every area. He knew about the routes. There is every possibility he must have provided this information also, and the overground worker must be working for this organization and carried out attack. I think this is also a message to all those people who had been questioning the action of the security forces, especially Mehbooba Mufti, that why you are targeting those people and leading to the collateral damage. It's also a message to them, because Mehbooba Mufti was beating chest for those terror-related elements against whom the action was initiated recently by the government in Jammu and Kashmir, where they started blasting many of their terror dens and their houses. She said that it is leading to collateral damage. So it's a message for them that you stop beating your chest for these elements, because there are overground workers, there's a local support, and without local support it is not possible for Pakistani
and
terrorists.
Crackdown on that local support is something that our agencies have been doing with several of those suspects that are in custody, that are being questioned. Of course, when it comes to the terrorists who were involved in the Pahalgam terror attack, their terror dens have also been demolished and have been razed. For the moment, Pradeep, thank you very much for joining in. Back after.